There are moments in life when your mind refuses to be quiet. You lie awake at night, staring at the ceiling, your thoughts spinning faster than you can keep up. You replay old conversations. You question decisions. You imagine every possible outcome of the future. And deep down, you believe that if you just think hard enough, maybe you can control what happens next. This is the exhausting trap of overthinking. Overthinking is the mind's way of pretending it has power over the future. But no matter how many times you run through every possibility in your head, life rarely goes exactly as you plan. The truth is simple. Your future is not entirely in your hands. It is in God's hands. And He already has a plan for you. Think back for a moment. Did everything in your past go the way you wanted? Probably not. But somehow, life still carried you forward. Unexpected blessings arrived when you least expected them. People entered your life at the exact time you needed them. Opportunities opened up in ways you couldn't have predicted. Even the hardships you faced shaped you into who you are today. That wasn't random chance. That was God's plan unfolding, step by step. The reason overthinking hurts so much is because it tries to make you carry a burden that was never yours to carry. You want to control both the effort and the outcome, but your role is only effort. God's role is outcome. And when you confuse the two, you live in anxiety. Overthinking blinds you. It's like standing too close to a painting. All you see are brush strokes and colors that don't make sense. But if you step back, you see the masterpiece. That's how God works. What lies behind overthinking is fear. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of the unknown. Fear whispers, "What if everything goes wrong?" You see, God doesn't give you the whole plan at once. He shows it step by step. Think about driving at night. Your headlights don't show you the entire road, only the next few yards. But you keep moving because you trust that more road will appear as you go. That is how God works. He reveals what you need when you need it. So how do you stop overthinking? First, shift your focus from control to trust. Every time your mind starts racing, pause and remind yourself, I don't need all the answers right now. God already has them. Second, surrender. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of the illusion of control. It means saying, God, I have done my best. Now I leave the rest to you. And then actually leaving it with Him, not picking it back up with endless questions. Third, stay present. Overthinking lives in the past and the future, but peace lives in the present. Right now, you are alive. Right now, you are breathing. Right now, God is with you. This moment is enough. Fourth, find stillness. A restless mind can't hear God's voice. But when you quiet your thoughts through prayer, meditation, or simply silence, you begin to feel His presence. In stillness, you realize you were never alone. The truth is, God's plan may not look like your plan. Some doors will close, some delays will come, some hardships will test you. But every closed door protects you. Every delay prepares you. Every hardship shapes you. His plan is not always easy, but it is always for your good. Think about the times in your life when you thought everything was falling apart, only to realize later that it was falling into place. The job you didn't get made room for a better one. The relationship that ended prepared you for true love. The failure you feared turned into the lesson that built your strength. That is God's way. Overthinking will never give you peace. It only steals the present moment. But faith frees you. Faith doesn't mean you won't face challenges. It means you trust God will use even those challenges to bring you where you're meant to be. So tonight, when your mind starts to race with what-ifs, take a deep breath and whisper these words: God, I trust you. I don't need to figure everything out. You already have a plan for me. Remember this: overthinking will drain you, but trusting God will restore you. You are not lost. You are not forgotten. You are exactly where you need to be in God's timing. And the plan He has for you is far greater than anything you could imagine. So stop overthinking, start trusting, and allow God's perfect plan to unfold.